talk about bacon, 'cause everybody likes bacon, and I like bacon, and you like bacon, we all like bacon, 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 bacon. I like bacon. I like lots and lots of bacon. Bacon? Bacon is God, with a capital G. God. It's like epically awesome. Only need 2 more strips of bacon to make me happy. Everything I know is better with bacon, don't you think? Lately, bacon has been cooking in my stove and in my oven and something, I'm very out of words to say. Like, it makes me like really sad when people say they don't like bacon, because bacon's pretty epic. Like, there's nothing better than bacon. Because bacon's pretty awesome and you can't not like bacon. Bacon sneeze. Bacon, bacon. Bacon in my waffles, bacon in my cookies, bacon in my bacon plate, bacon basket, bacon weave, bacon tree, bacon, bacon. This is just about bacon because I like bacon so much. What if there was like a person made of bacon? I'm so hungry right now. I don't have any bacon. I have cookies, but no bacon. Bacon cookies. Everything bacon. Goodbye, my bacon lovers.